Exploring the world on horseback allows you to connect with nature, immerse yourself in diverse landscapes, and experience a sense of freedom and adventure. From rolling countryside to rugged mountains and pristine beaches, there are remarkable destinations around the world that offer unforgettable horseback riding experiences. Whether you're an experienced equestrian or a beginner, here are some of the best places to go horseback riding, where you can gallop through breathtaking scenery and create lifelong memories. 1. Iceland. With its otherworldly landscapes and wild beauty, Iceland is a horse lover's paradise. Icelandic horses, known for their unique gait and gentle temperament, are the perfect companions for exploring the country's volcanic terrain, glacial rivers, and vast open spaces. From riding through the lava fields of the Reykjanes Peninsula to traversing the famous Golden Circle, horseback riding in Iceland offers a truly unforgettable experience. 2. Patagonia, Argentina and Chile. The dramatic landscapes of Patagonia, shared by Argentina and Chile, provide a stunning backdrop for horseback riding enthusiasts. Embark on a journey through the Andes Mountains, ride across the expansive pampas, or explore the pristine national parks. With its vast open spaces, towering peaks, and crystal-clear lakes, Patagonia offers an awe-inspiring experience for riders seeking adventure and natural beauty. 3. Maasai Mara, Kenya. For a unique safari experience, horseback riding in the Maasai Mara in Kenya is unparalleled. Ride alongside herds of zebras, wildebeests, and gazelles as you traverse the savanna. The Maasai Mara's vast plains and abundant wildlife make it a remarkable destination for equestrians. Explore the African wilderness, witness the Great Migration, and immerse yourself in the rich cultural heritage of the Maasai people. 4. Rocky Mountains, United States. The Rocky Mountains in the United States provide a breathtaking backdrop for horseback riding adventures. Whether you choose the famous trails of Colorado, Wyoming's Yellowstone National Park, or Montana's Glacier National Park, you'll be surrounded by majestic peaks, alpine meadows, and pristine lakes. Experience the cowboy culture, explore rugged wilderness, and ride through landscapes that epitomize the American West. 5. Tuscany, Italy. Tuscany's picturesque countryside, dotted with vineyards, olive groves, and medieval towns, is a dream destination for horseback riding enthusiasts. Ride through the rolling hills of the Chianti wine region, visit historic villages, and soak in the timeless beauty of the Italian landscape. Tuscany's gentle terrain and scenic trails make it an ideal place for riders of all levels to indulge in the charm and romance of this region. 6. Banff National Park, Canada. Nestled in the heart of the Canadian Rockies, Banff National Park offers horseback riding experiences that showcase the splendor of the wilderness. Explore rugged trails, ride through alpine meadows, and discover hidden lakes and breathtaking vistas. With its towering peaks, turquoise glacial lakes, and abundant wildlife, Banff provides an unforgettable backdrop for a horseback adventure in the true Canadian wilderness. Horseback riding allows us to connect with nature and explore some of the most beautiful landscapes on Earth. The destinations mentioned above offer incredible horseback riding experiences, each with its unique charm and natural wonders. Whether you're seeking the untamed beauty of Iceland, the vastness of Patagonia, or the enchantment of Tuscany, these locations provide unforgettable adventures on horseback. So, saddle up, embrace the freedom of the open trail, and embark on a journey that will immerse you in the beauty of the world's most captivating landscapes. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe.